Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the Community Guideline Strike on YouTube or YouTube Studio. So if you got a Community Guideline Strike on YouTube like this, you don't need to panic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the strike, prevent future strikes, and get your channel back on track. So first, let's understand what is a community guideline strike is. It's when your content violates YouTube's rules like hate speech, harassment, violence, or spam. So getting one doesn't mean the end of your channel, but it can limit your features like live streaming and monetizations. And step 2, you can check the email notifications from YouTube. So when you get a strike, YouTube will send you an email with details about why your video was flagged. You can view the specific policy that was violated and decide whether it was an actual mistake or misinterpretations of the content. And next, you can appeal the strike. So if you believe the strike was a mistake, you can appeal it, and this is how. You can go to the YouTube Studio and go to dashboard in here and click on this strike notification, and in here if you see appeal, you can just select the appeal options and write a detailed explanation of why you think the strike was wrongly applied. Here you can click on this take actions to apply the appeal. So what happens after the appeal? So once you appeal, YouTube will review your case, and this can take 1 to 3 weeks, and during that time your strike will either be upheld or removed. So if YouTube agrees with you, the strike is removed from your account and your content is restored. So to protect yourself from future strike, you need to review the YouTube community guidelines and ensure that all content follow the rules. And if you make a mistake, correct it fast by deleting or editing videos that could be flagged. And if you receive 3 strikes within 60 days, your channel could be terminated. So to avoid this, always learn from past mistakes. If you get your second strike, it's crucial to take immediate action and adjust your content to align with the guidelines. So now you know how you can remove a YouTube community guideline strike and protect your channel from future issues. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to click on the thanks button. Bye.